beaches. So this is called the West Africa Sunshine Estates. I guess I should have turned the lights on in here. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment there is $1,500 a month. I've been told that it is negotiable. Oh! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in West Africa. And if you want to know what a $1,500 per month estate looks like in Sierra Leone, then this is the video for you. All right, cool. So we are at the West Africa Sunshine Estates. It is Chinese owned, Chinese built on Longley Beach Road in Sierra Leone. It's on the Aberdeen side. It's one of 2 major estates that they built there, right there on the beaches. So this is called the West Africa Sunshine Estates. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment there is $1,500 a month. I've been told that it is negotiable. You can negotiate it down to $1,000 a month, but from what I understand, what they'll pitch you is $1,500 a month, and that was the quote that they gave me. So I'm gonna give you a tour of the place, so check it out.
The last building, going on the left, yeah, on the left.
Last building on the left, is show? Okay, we're gonna go straight. Okay, we'll go see you. So here's where I'm staying. Yeah. So here's the unit itself. So walking in, you have the living room area. They got fans, they got an AC, and they do have a balcony protected by a gate. So if you want to go out to the balcony, let's take a look really quickly. There's a bird's nest up there, so I have to be careful when I open this thing. Oh. Alright, so there's the gate. So here's the balcony. So come outside, hang out for a little bit. There's the view from the balcony. Yeah, but almost everywhere here has gates outside to protect you in case anything ever goes down. People can't get into the place. So let's open up and go inside. So we're back inside. I guess I should have turned the lights on in here. Okay, so let's do this again. So this is the living room. Obviously television, they have cable. This is the living room. Here is the dining room. So pretty big size dining room. The dining room here. Don't mind the mess on the table. I got a bunch of stuff on there. Here's the kitchen. It's a pretty nice sized kitchen. All the amenities needed. There's a stove, the gas to use for the stove, water dispenser, microwave, refrigerator, and then there is a pantry. So here's the pantry, just to use as storage technically. So this place is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom place. So here's the guest bathroom first. Let's take a look at the guest bath. So they have a washer and dryer in the guest bathroom, which is great. So you can use this to wash your clothes. Actually, it's just a washer machine in the guest bathroom. Guess, you know, and the cleaning supplies are in here. Sink, everything you need. Then there's the master bedroom. This is what the master bedroom looks like. Has built-in area for a closet. They have a canopy for mosquitoes, of course. Here's the master bedroom. And then the master bath is a pretty nice sized bathroom with a shower and everything you need. So that is the master bedroom. Moving on, now let's look at the second bedroom. So there's a little hallway area where you can iron. This is where the ironing board is. So here's the second bedroom. Again, closet area for clothes and whatnot, little wardrobe. Don't mind the mess, but here's the bed. I drink a lot of water, as you can see. Here's the bathroom. So here's the bathroom, showers on this side. So 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, nice size, you know, ample lighting if you want it. So there's a window here in the bathroom, but of course you gotta close it if you want privacy. There's a window here in the bedroom. And then there's another window here. So this place is made so that you can get light in here from different angles, and then you can get a cross breeze if you need to. So that is the apartment. So the water bill was $266,500. I paid that on the 20th of April. The generator, of course, is $2 million. So I paid that on the 19th of May. The total household bills that I paid was $2,266,500. The housing complex that I'm staying at is actually a nice housing complex here in what they call Aberdeen, which is on Lumley Beach Road, but one side of it. So I'm just going further down Lumley Beach to go to Pearl Hotel. As you can see, this place is very different from other places you might see here. Even though there's a fence around every property and there is glass over top of it, they don't use barbed wire here because this property is a little bit more protected, considering that it's inside of a secure location. So you'll see when we get down to the gate, where the gate is structured, there's a gate, and it's a whole like housing community within this gate. And so what they've done is they've basically barricaded it off from the rest of the world. Now don't get me wrong, I mean this place right here, look at the top of the gate, still has some like sharp spikes at the top, but the way they've done this is a little bit more like a nicer looking look and feel to each place. There's the gate that we go through. There. So that was it, West Africa Sunshine Estates. What do you guys think of the place? Would you guys stay there? Would you pay $1,500 a month for a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment on Beach Road in Sierra Leone? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear back from you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.